Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that everyone needs to hear. 5 sneaky ways hackers steal your data, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. With cyber attacks on the rise in 2024, your data is more vulnerable than ever. So let's get straight into it. Alright, number 1 on the list is phishing. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book, but still one of the most dangerous. Phishing is when a hacker sends you an email, text, or even social media message that looks legit. Maybe it's from your bank or a well-known company. These messages trick you into clicking a link and entering your personal details. But in reality, that data is going straight to a hacker. Here's how to protect yourself. Never click on suspicious links and always double-check the email address or sender. If you're not sure, go directly to the company's website rather than clicking the link. And please, don't enter sensitive information unless you're 100% certain. Next up is the man-in-the-middle attack. This is where a hacker secretly intercepts communication between you and a website or service without either party knowing. It often happens on unsecured public Wi-Fi networks. Imagine you're logging into your bank account while sipping a coffee at your favorite cafe. The hacker can steal your login credentials right out of the air. To stay safe, avoid logging into sensitive accounts when using public Wi-Fi, or better yet, use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your data and prevent snooping. Number 3 is keylogging. This one's super scary because it doesn't rely on you clicking anything. Hackers can secretly install software on your device that tracks every single keystroke you make, including usernames, passwords, and even private messages. How to protect yourself? The best way to avoid keylogging is to make sure your antivirus software is always up to date. It can detect and block keyloggers before they can do any damage. Also, avoid downloading shady files or clicking on strange pop-ups, which might be hiding keylogger software. Next up is social engineering. This is when a hacker uses manipulation and deception to trick you into giving up your sensitive information. They might pretend to be your boss, a family member, or even tech support, convincing you that something's wrong and they need your password or credit card details. How to protect yourself? Here's how to defend against it. Always verify the identity of anyone asking for sensitive info. If someone claims to be from your bank or a company, call them back using the official phone number, not the one they provide. And never, ever give out passwords or personal details over the phone or email. Finally, we've got ransomware. This is a type of malware that locks you out of your own computer or files until you pay a ransom. Hackers will often infect your device through phishing emails or malicious downloads. How to protect yourself? The best way to protect yourself from ransomware is to regularly back up your files. If you've got everything backed up, you don't have to worry about paying a ransom because you can just restore your data. And again, having solid antivirus software helps block ransomware before it infects your system. So, there you have it. 5 sneaky ways hackers can steal your data and the tools you need to protect yourself. By being aware of these methods and taking some simple precautions, you can keep your data safe and stay one step ahead of hackers in 2024. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips to keep yourself secure online. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's the craziest cybersecurity story you've ever heard? Let's talk about it. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.